Welcome to our video on the Ontario rental application process. If you're considering renting a property in Ontario, it's essential to navigate the application process effectively. Understanding the requirements and regulations can set you on the right path to securing your new home. The Ontario rental application, commonly known as the OREA Rental Application Form 410, is a crucial document for both landlords and tenants. This form serves as a legal agreement that outlines the terms of your tenancy. For landlords, it acts as a screening tool to ensure that they select responsible tenants who can fulfill their rental obligations. As a potential tenant, it's critical to fill out this form accurately and completely, as it will heavily influence the landlord's decision. It's important to note that while there is no standard rental application that every landlord must use in Ontario, the provincial government provides templates. These templates contain necessary fields such as your personal details, employment background, and rental history. Expect questions about previous evictions, late payments, or even your current living situation. Filling out these applications may seem overwhelming, but the key is being prepared and understanding what information is required. When you're ready to complete your rental application, make sure you have all necessary documentation at hand. Read through the form thoroughly to comprehend every question. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to reach out to the landlord for clarification. It's vital to fill in all required fields accurately. Incomplete or misleading applications can lead to rejection. Honesty about your rental history is crucial, as any discovered discrepancies can result in being denied the rental opportunity. Finally, once you've completed the application, don't forget to sign and date it. You should also include any additional documents requested by the landlord, such as proof of income or identification. Being prompt and thorough in your submission can highlight your seriousness as a candidate for the rental property. Click the link in this video's description to visit our website and read more about this topic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports our channel and helps others find our content. Also, consider subscribing to see more of our real estate content. Thanks for watching.